Arnaud Touré, AMD pre-sales for FirePro graphic cards. At this event, we are showing our virtualization solution. In cooperation with Neo Telecom and Plex Mega, we are showing a virtual platform. We have a single workstation running 6 monitors. Here we have a virtual Windows session. Here, another virtual Windows session. That machine is located about 30 kilometers from here and has direct access to the graphics, which allows us to display DirectX or OpenGL. Here we can see the virtual application running as smoothly as the local application. We can see that it is interactive with a good response time. And we can give the control of the virtual session to a device like an iPad. There, we have the virtual Windows session BAT program running on the iPad, which I can control and interact with. It is a virtual office. On this side, we are also showing virtualization solutions. Here, we are presenting a 3D stereo solution. Here we have one virtual machine and 2 virtual machines. This virtual machine is running 2 displays, and it is running a stereo display here which requires graphics with 0 loss of information. And here we see, well, you can't see it on the camera, but it displays perfectly well the 3D stereo image. So we are showing with this system that we can have a virtual workstation on the clock. My name is Michael Lelouch, Managing Director of Archetype 3D, which distributes Object 3D printing solutions in France. We are based in the Paris region and provide service for all of France. The printer we have here is the Object 30, which is part of the desktop office solutions. The desktop printers from Object 3D cost between 24,000 euros and 43,000 euros. As soon as you have a 3D model of a design, there can be a need for a physical representation of the objects. 2 materials are deposited, a gel which fills the empty spaces and the material from which the prototype is constructed. The material for the prototype costs about 280 euros per kilogram and about 100 euros per kilogram for the support. Here we are printing several pieces simultaneously, which are produced through a succession of very fine resin layers. A layer is deposited and a UV lamp fixes the layer. Clients include engineering offices, designers, industrial designers, packaging, education, automotive and aerospace, medical. In fact, there are many areas of applications and there is not just one primary industry, but we cover many diverse industries. My name is Gilles Cotier, Managing Director of Pixium, based in Strasbourg. We are specialized in the creation of virtual film and animation and real-time 3D virtual model creation for architectural urban planning, with a special emphasis on lighting simulation. Pixium delivers different types of products which support conception, creation, and communication based on animated 3D films and interactive real-time 3D models. Behind me you have a concrete example, notably a project for the Chapel of the Sorbonne in Paris. We worked with a laser scanning system, the texturing of the edifice, and created the lighting simulation, all of which allowed the city to choose the final concept for the project and the contractors. My name is Jean-Luc Ross at Valfoni. As for the different glasses we provide, we have the DLP Link glasses, which work with all projectors using the DLP Link technology. These glasses are relatively light, with a lightweight nose support for comfort, and they weigh 57 grams and are currently the lightest on the market. We have interchangeable earpieces, which provide the advantage of using small, medium, or large earpieces. Then we have the infrared glasses. They have the same format as the DLP Link glasses, with the sole difference being the emitter. These glasses are used today in the majority of movie theaters in France and around the world for active 3D glasses. Another solution we offer are the active eyes glasses. The advantage of these glasses is that the electronics is separate. In other words, you can clip the electronics to your shirt pocket or belt, providing glasses with an extremely light weight. These have the weight of passive glasses, but we can offer them in active or also in hybrid. We have exactly the same model in hybrid glasses, which can adapt to passive display technology. If you disconnect the electronics, you can use the glasses with passive displays and projectors because we added an additional polarized filter. My name is Gilles Balay. I work for Tridelity France. We make auto-stereoscopic displays which create a 3D stereo image without the need for 3D glasses. We work with specialists and resellers like Immersion, as an example, who use our displays as controls for caves or for 3D visualization of architectural designs, etc. Another important usage is to visualize 3D scans in medicine. We offer the advantage of using the displays in either landscape or portrait mode. In fact, we are the only company to offer that. And we also have displays with large dimensions, 55 inches and 65 inches. We are the first to create a visualization wall without 3D glasses using the 55-inch displays. President of Taudyne, which creates 3D presentation software for 3D stereo, and auto-stereoscopic applications. Our software allows you to create interactive 3D content that allows you to interact with the 3D objects and content. Our software can also be used with CAD content in engineering and architecture to present the 3D model. We have the ability to integrate 3D models directly from the exported data of the majority of CAD programs. You simply place your model into our application and you are able to have animations which correspond to your presentation. It is for a commercial presentation usage. Manager for prototyping at Multistation. Today we are presenting one of our 3D printers, a rapid prototyping system. Fundamentally, we start with an STL file generated from a CAD program such as CATIA, SolidWorks, or many others. The file is interpreted by an integrated software. So we start with a plastic thread, ABS or PLA, which is pushed to the head of the printer where it is heated, allowing the material to be deposited according to the 3D digital model. La matière sous forme et qui va reprendre la forme du dessin qui a été donc intégré par le logiciel. To fill the model, or not to fill the model, is one of the control choices, and by placing layer upon layer, we create a physical model of the design. This particular 3D printer is a machine available in a kit for less than 1,200 euros, and if you purchase it assembled and with a service, then the price is 2,300 euros. You can produce parts at cost around €2.50 to €4 per piece.
We are the Virtualization company from Germany, and we are building laser machines for glass engraving and 3D scanners to capture persons and to engrave them after the capturing into the glass. The scanner is a Virtuoscan, and it's a production of our company, and it works like a camera. We make 12 pictures of a person with different stripes on it, and then we create a 3D file from it. The laser is a focus laser, and we are set the most energy in the focus, so where the focus is, the laser will damage the glass, and you have a little crack inside. After that, see the image inside the glass.